Okay, now I'm going to install the motherboard, and if you actually look here, it tells you, like, if you have an ATX motherboard, it says A, B, C, D, E, F, G, or E, F, J, K, L, and if you have a micro ATX board, it tells you the standoff positions, and I have an ATX board, so if you look inside of here, they're actually, you probably can't see it on the camera, but they're actually labeled. There's an E, an F, a C, a B, an A, so they're labeled to where you gotta put your standoffs. And I'm just going to go through here and make sure, because they have them in here already. I don't know what it's set up for, we'll find out right now. So we got A, B, C, D, E, F, and they go this way across. Then J, K, L. We got J, K, L. Okay, so it comes set up, ready to go for the standard ATX motherboard. It's already got all of them in there, tightened down. Just double check them, make sure they're super tight because you don't want those coming loose. And they are, indeed. So now, I'm going to go ahead and try to put this motherboard in here. And this is the 870G45, it's MSI 870-G45. And now, let's see if they all line up. Maybe this is a micro ATX. No. Oh, they line up perfect. Or they do not line up. Oh yeah, they do. Let me see. Yeah, get all these things out of the way here. There's a bunch of cables. This looks like the USB 3.0. Then we have the fan. We'll just set those off to the side here. Then we got all of our stuff coming from the front. The power button, audio, USBs. We'll look those up later. And this is actually a micro ATX board. Although so this looks like it's a micro ATX board, but all of the standoffs line up except the ones here on the outside. So I can just take those out, which, but all the holes here line up. So that means we're good to go. It's it uses the ATX interface there. Okay, so now what we gotta do, I was just making sure all the holes line up there. Use our motherboard screws, which are the same screws. It tells you, in your case, you should have a manual. And in the front, it should tell you what screws are for what. Like these are the motherboard ones, so just match them up. And I already know because I did the same as the power supply. So I'm going to need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of those. And actually, I think I'm supposed to put this back plate in first. So I'm going to move this back out a little ways here so I can put this in. It just snaps right in there. Yeah, it just lines up and kind of snaps in there. No, bend it. too much here. It's a real tight fit. There we go. Oh yeah, that fits real snug. It just slides and snaps in there. Nothing to it. And now I'll line this back up. And these just go right in there. Like so. And then my screws. And you should use a non-magnetic screwdriver as well.